Where is the additional money coming from?
No.
You are not answering.
No,
where are people getting additional money in their pockets?
To that. No, Rajdeep, first we had asked, not once, repeatedly, that when they announced the Nyaya scheme, from where the money will come. Did they respond? They had no answer. Even the Nobel laureate he was talking about, he didn't endorse this scheme because they never thought of this scheme properly. And nobody had answer from where this scheme will be funded. Today they are posing question to us after the pandemic. It's stupid because they should have, at that time when there was no visibility of pandemic, they had visibility of the future cash flows. The revenue side was absolutely visible. At that time the Nyaya scheme was not endorsed by even every economist on the street. Forget about this Nobel laureate, because they asked a simple question to Mr. Rahul Gandhi, that from where you will be funding this scheme.
Sir, forget Rahul Gandhi. I'm asking you, where is the additional? Why are you not putting additional monies in people's pockets? Simply taking LTC money and into cash vouchers is not additional money.
So let me tell you, Rajdeep, government will definitely examine the pros and cons of raising additional resources, because revenue shortfall is revenue shortfall, that what you have lost. And for providing cash in everyone's hand, or for taking any measures which will ensure that people get money in their hand, you will also need to raise resources. And I'm sure the government of India will examine.
That's a valid concern which I want to turn. Rajiv Dubey, is that a valid concern that the government cannot simply put additional monies in people's pockets till it raises additional resources?
So Rajdeep, this year already the government has committed to raising 4 lakh crore additional resources, but it's going to fall still way short of that. Today's announcement says that the government is not going to go beyond the 12.4 lakh crore total resources that it will be raising for the full fiscal. So 7.5 lakh crore, 7.5 lakh crore it had already committed. Another 4.4 lakh crore it's going to raise additionally. Beyond that, the government has said that it's not going to it's not going to raise any more resources. And yet it has committed 37,000 crore of additional spending in capex, in road building, in water system management building, in those kind of projects, which the government will be spending over and above what it had already committed for the full fiscal. So the question that arises is, where is this money going to be coming from? To that the government's answer that this had already been accounted for in this 11.5 lakh crore that they will be raising at the time when the government announced it about 2.5 months back. So the 25,000 crore plus 12,000 crore it will be giving to the states, 37,000 crore had already been accounted for in the 11.5 lakh crore that it will be raising. Beyond that, it is not raising any additional resource, and yet the government is going to fall way short of GST revenues. So there is going to be a higher fiscal deficit that I guess will be tackled closer to the end of the fiscal. It's not something that either they are in a position to understand, nor are economists are in a position to understand at this point in time.